Do you know the moment your heart starts racing, palms get sweaty, and your mind goes completely blank? That moment right before you have to speak alone for 2 minutes during the IELTS speaking test. Yeah, I know that feeling, and trust me, you're not alone. But what if I told you there is a way to turn that fear into confidence? Today, I'm going to share the secret tips that will not only help you survive part 2 of the IELTS speaking test, but ace it like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to face the examiner with a plan and a strategy that works. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for IELTS tips. So, part 2 of the IELTS speaking test is where you're given a task card. You have 1 minute to prepare and then 2 minutes to speak. Sounds intense, right? Let's break it down step by step. Number 1, understanding the cue card. The cue card will give you a topic and a few prompts. Most students panic here, but you don't need to. The first step is to always focus on the prompts as guidelines, not strict rules. They're there to help you develop your answer, not limit you. And here's a pro tip. Always start with a short introduction to the topic, even if the prompts don't ask for it. This gives you a moment to gather your thoughts and start confidently. Number 2, the power of the 1 minute prep time. Your 1 minute of preparation is gold. Here is what you do. Jot down keywords, not full sentences. This is your map, and it helps you to stay on track. Don't waste time writing full sentences or planning every word. Your brain doesn't need a script, it needs reminders. Structure your thoughts into 3 sections: introduction, details, and wrap up. This way, you'll never lose your place or end up rambling. Number 3, staying calm and talking naturally. You don't need to sound like a robot or a walking dictionary. This part of the test is about how well you can communicate. Think of it like telling a story to a friend. Examiners don't expect perfection, but they do expect clarity and fluency. Focus on communicating naturally, even if you make a small mistake or two. It's okay. 4, practice topic flexibility. You may get a topic you love or one you absolutely hate. Either way, practice speaking on a wide range of topics: personal experiences, hypothetical situations, or even things you don't know much about. It's all about being flexible. This will give you the confidence to face any topic the exam throws at you. 5, wrapping up smoothly. The biggest mistake students make is rushing through the end. Don't panic. If you feel like you're running out of things to say, a strong conclusion is the key. Simply summarize your main points in a sentence or two and signal to the examiner that when you're done. A natural conclusion will show that you've got control. So there you have it, a simple, structured way to tackle IELTS speaking part 2. Remember, it's all about preparation, staying calm, and using your time wisely. You've got this. Don't forget to drop a comment below with any questions you have. I'm here to help you ace your IELTS test with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to watch the next video and hit that subscribe button for more IELTS tips. Bye for now.